We've been very, very clear. If we see the necessary reforms in Zimbabwe, and it is not just about electoral reforms, it is not just about free, fair, and credible elections, there is a definite chance for major change in our bilateral policy and our bilateral relationship to include lifting of sanctions. That is a possibility. What we need to see is that those reforms are not just talked about, but actually enacted and real changes made on the ground. The ball is in Zimbabwe's court to make the necessary change. And in that, we would be a responsive government to respond to the change that we see in Zimbabwe and make our own policy changes from the United States in reaction to Zimbabwe's change.
But do you foresee any kind of change that is coming in Zimbabwe?
I definitely think Zimbabwe is talking very, very much about free, fair, and credible elections, and it is very possible that we will see free, fair, and credible elections. Zimbabwe is doing a lot of talk about economic reforms, and we're seeing meaningful economic reforms right now. And we're looking to see, we've taken small steps towards the establishment of the Peace and Reconciliation Commission. So we're seeing small steps towards the necessary human rights reforms. I think it would be after elections that we'll largely see a lot of the alignment of laws to the governance reforms that we're hoping to see, the alignment of laws to the 2013 Constitution, and that also the sort of the demilitarization or ensuring the authority of the military. The military remains on the military bases and not out in the field or in the government. Those sorts of reforms are very, very possible, and it really is, it's within Zimbabwe's hands to make real, meaningful change happen.